Everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to delete a Google Business profile in 2026. If your business has permanently closed or you no longer need the profile, it's important to understand the correct way to delete or remove it. First, sign in to the Google account that manages your business profile. Open your Google Business profile and select the business you want to manage. Go to * Business Profile Settings and look for the option to remove or manage the profile. Keep in mind that deleting your business profile doesn't always remove the business listing from Google Search or Google Maps. If your business is permanently closed, the recommended option is to mark it as permanently closed *. This lets customers know the business is no longer operating while maintaining accurate information on Google. If the listing was created by mistake, is a duplicate, or violates Google's policies, you can report it or request its removal through the appropriate Google Business Profile options. Make sure you understand the consequences before deleting or removing any business data, as some actions may not be reversible. After completing the process, check your profile after a few days to confirm the changes have been applied. That's how to delete a Google Business profile in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Google Business Profile guides. Thanks for watching.